Hello guys, welcome back to Nana's Food World. Today we are doing rock buns or rock cakes, whatever you can call it. Very delicious, yummy recipe. It's so easy to do, and guys, I love it. So come along with me and let's do this. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Just look at that. It is so yummy, very flavorful, and I tell you, you are going to love it. Let's do this. So to start, I have my salted butter. Okay, just look at that. I'm trying to make it a bit softer. Okay, yeah, and then I add my brown sugar. All right, I love using brown sugar. It makes my bakes really taste good. Or you can just use any sugar of your choice. You mix it nicely, all right, and then it becomes quite soft. So I am adding eggs. I do add the eggs bit by bit. Okay, so follow along. Right, next I add my self-raising flour. Okay, you can add salt to it if you're using unsalted butter, and I add cinnamon and also zest of lemon. Yes, I love that. I know I like flavor. It makes this taste amazing. The flavor is lovely. Just try this and I'm telling you, you are going to love it. Okay, so you mix it nicely, as you can see here. All right, so I'm trying to just make sure it's mixed really well. As you can see, also I'm also adding the flour bit by bit, and then the next bit I'm adding my milk, okay, to bind it together really nicely. So it's all mixed nicely, and then I put it into my muffin mold here. I've greased it really well, okay, and then I fill it up as you can see me doing. Come along. Right guys, so it's all done. So we're going to put that into the oven at 180 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so guys, I just took it out of the oven. It smells so good. It's amazing. You have to try this recipe. It's very easy recipe, but it tastes so good. It smells so good. Yes, try it and you thank me later. You can have it with tea, you can have it with any, as a snack. Okay, you can just put some jam in it, or you can just put some butter in it. Whatever you want to put in it, you can. But let me tell you, it's really soft in the inside and crunchy outside. You are going to love this recipe. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Don't forget to share this recipe. It's absolutely perfect. Thank you. Bye.